student, welcome to our history class. From last video we starting the lesson number 5, the foundation of Swaraj. In last video we completed some points: Shahaji Raje, Veer Mata Jizabai, Shivaji's companions and associates, then royal seals Rajmudra, meaning towards the establishment of Swaraj. Then next point is the capture of Zawri, defeat of Afzal Khan. Now let us we start here the expedition of Siddhi Zohar. Our next point is the expedition of Siddhi Zohar. Here student, after the annihilation of Afzal Khan, Shivaji Maharaj captured the Adil Shahi forts of Pannala, Vasantgarh and Khelna. He renamed Khelna as Vishalgarh. The name of Khelna is also Vishalgarh. After the annihilation means destroy of Afzal Khan, Shivaji Maharaj captured the Adil Shahi fort of Pannala, Vasantgarh and Khelna. Khelna means other name is Vishalgarh. Shivaji Maharaj has posed a big challenge before the Adil Shahi. Therefore, the Adil Shah sent Siddhi Zohar, the Sardar of the Kurnool region, against Shivaji Maharaj in 1660. See, the Adil Shah gave the Siddhi the title Salbat Khan, Rustam-e-Jaman, Baji Ghorpade, and Afzal Khan's son. Faisal Khan were also there to help Siddhi Zohar. In these circumstances, in this situation, student, Shivaji Maharaj took shelter in the Pannala fort. In this way, in this time, at the circumstances is very critical, then Shivaji Maharaj took shelter in the Pannala fort. Siddhi's soldiers laid siege to the fort for about 5 months. Siege means round circle of the fort for the about 5 months. Shivaji Maharaj found himself trapped inside the fort. Netaji Palkar tried to raise the siege by attacking Siddhi's army from outside, but he couldn't succeed in it as his forces were merged. Siddhi showed no signs of relenting. So Shivaji Maharaj opened the talks with him. This led to slackness in the siege round Pannalgarh. Shivaji Maharaj took advantage of this situation. In this way, Shivaji Maharaj took the advantage of this situation. On the occasion, Shiva Kashid, a brave youth, came forward. He resembled Shivaji Maharaj in looks. Resembles means same copy. He dressed up like Shivaji Maharaj and sat in the palanquin. The palanquin led by the Raj Dindi gate. It was captured by Siddhi's army. It was a difficult situation. Shiva Kashid sacrifices himself on the occasion for Swaraj. In the meanwhile, Shivaji Maharaj left the fort using another difficult route, another way. In this way, another route, another way, another path. He was accompanied with him by the Baji Prabhu, Deshpande, Bandal Deshmukh and some chosen soldiers, some selected soldiers. Chosen soldiers means selected soldiers. The Siddhi came to know that Shivaji Maharaj has escaped the siege around Pannalgarh and proceeded to Vishalgarh. His army pursued Shivaji Maharaj. Shivaji Maharaj entrusted the responsibility of stopping Siddhi's army at the foot of Vishalgarh to Baji Prabhu Deshpande. Baji Prabhu Deshpande checked Siddhi's army at the Ghod pass near Gazapur. He fought with the greatest valor. Baji Prabhu died a hero's death in this battle. In this way, student, Baji Prabhu Deshpande checked Siddhi's army at the Ghod pass near Gazapur. He fought with the greatest valor. Baji Prabhu died a hero's death in this battle. In this way, Baji Prabhu died as a hero's death. Because Baji Prabhu's army held Siddhi's army at by Shivaji Maharaj could proceed to Vishalgarh. While going to Vishalgarh, Maharaj also crushed the opposition of the Adil Shahi Sardars, Darvi of Palwan and Survey of Sringarpur. Maharaj reached the Vishalgarh safety. While Shivaji Maharaj was trapped at Pannala, Aurangzeb, who has ascended the throne of Delhi, he sent Shaiste Khan, a Mughal Sardar, to Deccan. He had invaded the Pune province. The conflict with Adil Shahi continued even as the Mughal army invaded the Swaraj. Maharaj realized that it would not be prudent to fight two enemies at one and the same time. Therefore, after reaching Vishalgarh safely, he entered into a treaty with Adil Shahi. As per the treaty, the returned the fort of Panala to the Adil Shahi. In this student, here complete our lesson number 5, the foundation of Swaraj.